Hi, this is Nitin from TechCaesar. So today I recorded this video to showcase the import export feature in Business Manager. So in Salesforce Commerce Cloud, if you want to upload something or you want to download something, you there is a feature for import and export, and in every module, almost in every module, they have given import and export feature. Uh, so so for an example, let's say if you are within a website, and then you want to, if you'll see this product and catalog section, you will see this import and export. Same thing is happening in ordering as well as in online marketing. So what happens that let's say that you want to upload a product or you want to download a product, so you need to go into the import and export area in the product and catalog, and then you will uh, uh, you will upload that particular XML file. So you can upload XML file, and recently they have started supporting the CSV files as well. But still, XML is more popular because it is more robust and has been around since beginning. So everybody is pretty much familiar with the XML the format. So you need to upload the XML format here. Once you will upload it, it will do the necessary validation that it is matching the schema with the given XSD file or not. And I will provide the XSD file link in the video description so that you guys can take a look. So once it is uploaded, and sorry, once you will upload it, and then when you will import it, at that time it will do a necessary validation against the XSD. And if everything is good, then you can import it. Once when you will import it, there are the multiple modes. One is a uh, insert mode, create mode, which means that if a particular object does not exist, then only it will create it, otherwise it will skip. Another one is update mode, that if particular object exists, then it will update it, otherwise it will skip. Third one is a merge mode. It means that if object exists, it will update. If object does not exist, it will create. So it's the most popular mode to upload the to import the file. The fourth one is delete, that if a particular object exists, then it will delete that. So, and the same thing you can do with the export, that if you want to export couple of products, you can select those products and then you can export those. So let's quickly see for an example. And this import export and this button will do the same thing, no change. uh, and then once you will export it, here you will select the from which catalog you want to export. Let's say you say okay, April, and then you need to give the file name test, and here you can export the whole catalog or you can select the particular products. So let's say, and here I will find it, that particular product. Let's say I want to export this one, these two, and then export selected products. So now this has been started. Once you will click it, so it is exported. I will when I once I will click it, it will download the file, and it will download the file and it will show the stuff. So that's how the stuff is exported and imported. uh, Now, as I said, that every section has its own import and export area, so that you can import export that particular portion. If you want to import the product, so you need to use the import and export under the product and catalog. If you want to import and import the promotions or export the promotion, you need to use import and export feature in the online marketing. So it's not like that you can use any import and export. You need to use a particular module import and export. And as I said that almost all the modules have this feature. Now the same thing happens into the admin section, where a couple of modules have this feature. For an example, in the operation, you will see the import and export somewhere here, where you can import export, let's say, jobs and services. So this is what it is. And other than that, other than this import and export, there is also another feature is site. site import and export. So here what you can do, then rather than down exporting uh, individual module, you can you can export it from here. So so for example, you want to export particular catalog, and you also want to export, let's say, promotion for a given site. So you can do it here, but it's all or none. You cannot select given products, or you cannot select given promotion. You will export or import all the, you will export all the promotions here, right? So that's what it is, that if you want to export everything, then and you want to export different modules, then you do not need to go individually. You can come here and you can select those in one go, and then here you can give the file name, that what file you want to what file name you want to give, and then you need to click on the export. Once you will start the export, it will it will start displaying here. uh, One more thing, that if you will check this checkbox, then it will create it as a global, which means that uh, in the same RAM it will start displaying to other sandboxes or the PIG environment. So let's say that you are exporting from staging, and if you click this checkbox, then that particular file will start seeing into the development environment as well as in production environment, and you can import that file by selecting that. But for the other sandboxes, what you need to do, that you need to select the remote, and then you need to put the host name and the username and password and click connect. Then you will start seeing. So local within a same RAM. So if you're if you have a local file, it will be this if and let's say that as I said, that if you're using a staging, then it will be displayed into a development and production. But remote, once you will create a, I'm sorry, my bad. I mixed up. So if you're creating a global file, it will be displayed within a same RAM without connecting that environment. But so if you exported something as a global in a staging, then that file will automatically display here to use. But if you are exporting a file as a local, then you need to connect with that environment, and then you will start seeing that local file to import. So that's how this site import and export is working. uh, Most of the time you would like to create a file as a local, so that it will the system, whoever want to import it, will connect it, and then will import it, rather than uh, by accidentally somebody's importing, right? That's how the site import export is working. You can also do a schedule backup, which you will do it on the staging, uh, and once you will click on schedule backup, at that time it will show you that what backup you want to create. Once you will create a new backup, and then you can choose that, okay, you want to backup, let's say, daily, and then once you will create it, and then you can put the schedule here, that how frequently that backup should run, and then you can use that what module you want to consider in this backup, right? So usually you will do it daily, and you will run this on staging, and because staging will have a latest and greatest data, so you want to keep the backup, just in case if anything happens, you have something to restore. So that's how this whole import export stuff is working. Please take a look of individual module to make yourself comfortable. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye bye.